The Fairphone 4 is our most sustainable smartphone yet. It's made with fair and recycled materials and it's built to last. The really special part? It's yours to open, yours to repair, and yours to keep. That means that no part of this phone is permanently glued, so you can easily repair it yourself with a standard screwdriver. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to take out and replace your selfie camera. But first, let's make sure you and your Fairphone are ready to go. Here's a short checklist before we start. Make sure your Fairphone's battery is charged. Most batteries actually don't come with a full charge fresh out of the box. Find an even and level clean surface to work on, with a good light source so you don't miss any of the action. We recommend to keep a few items at hand to make your life easier. A cotton cloth to clean the surfaces of your phone. 2 small containers to divide and keep all the small screws in place. A credit card, guitar pick, or other similar plastic card to help with removing the modules or parts. And your trusty Phillips 00 screwdriver, like this one from iFixit. A word of caution. Please don't use any metal objects other than the screwdriver when working on the phone. Your own hands or the plastic card or pick will get the job done and protect the internal part. Since we're taking out the battery for this one, make sure your Fairphone is turned off by pressing the power button on the side of the phone and selecting Power Off on your screen. Now let's take off the back cover by separating it from the aluminum frame with your finger. There is a designated notch on the bottom right side of your phone when the screen is facing down. You'll hear a nice click once it disconnects. Make sure to start here and work your way around until the back cover comes all the way off. To take out the battery, simply lift it from the white triangle at the bottom. From here on, you'll need your Phillips 00 screwdriver. The order of screws, lids, and connectors is important too, so please follow closely. First up is the silver screw of the camera connector lid. It's right below the spot marked 1. As with all other screws you're removing, make sure to keep it safely stored in your container for reassembly. Next, using a plastic card or guitar pick, you'll gently lift up the camera connector lid, starting from the right. Still using your card or pick, lift all 3 so-called BTB connectors following the arrow on the connectors. The third connector will be visible after you've lifted the other 2. No need to force things here, gentle pressure until it comes loose is the way to go. Remove the 5 silver screws that hold the rear camera in place. Finally, lift and remove the rear camera starting from the bottom right. Try to avoid touching the battery pins as you do so. Nice, you did it! Now that you've successfully removed the main camera, you can go ahead and gently remove the selfie camera's BTB connector. Please be sure to always use a credit card or plastic pick of some kind, and try not to touch other internal components. Swap it out for the new one and insert that one top first. Now reconnect the BTB connector. Insert the main camera again. Insert and tighten the 5 silver screws to hold the camera in place. Reconnect the BTB camera connectors, starting with the one that will be hidden by the other 2. Insert and connect the lid from left to right. Insert and tighten the remaining silver camera connector lid screw. Now you're ready to put the battery back. Make sure to start with the top and lay it down like this. Click the back cover back in place and press along the sides with your finger to make sure the fit is snug and secure. Turn your Fairphone 4 on by pressing the power button on the side of your phone. Fire up the camera app to take a picture and check that everything is working smoothly. That's all. Congrats on your DIY selfie camera placement.